In 1931, during the height of the Great Depression, the legendary Babe Ruth signed a contract for $80,000. That's more than President Herbert Hoover was making at the time. When a reporter asked if it was right to earn more than the president, Ruth famously said, "I had a better year than he did." But here's the real question. Was Babe Ruth actually richer than today's $300 million superstars? Back then, a movie ticket was just 25 cents. Today, it's 60 times that. To truly compare wealth across history, we can't just look at the numbers on a check. We have to look at purchasing power. This is where the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, comes in. Imagine a giant market basket. Inside, we put everything an average family buys: groceries, rent, gas, haircuts, and even Netflix subscriptions. Economists track the total price of this basket every month. If the basket cost $100 last year and $105 this year, the CPI tells us that the cost of living has gone up. This index is our most reliable yardstick for measuring how the value of our money changes over time. When the CPI rises, we call it inflation. It's the percentage change in the price level. Inflation is like a silent thief that shrinks your purchasing power. Look at this with just 4% inflation. Your dollar loses nearly half its value in 20 years. This is why a salary that felt like a fortune in 1931 wouldn't even cover rent in a modern city today. If your income doesn't grow faster than the CPI, you are technically getting a pay cut every single year. CPI isn't just a boring statistic. It determines your life. It's used to adjust Social Security benefits. It influences your next salary negotiation. And most importantly, it guides the central bank on whether to raise interest rates. When CPI spikes, the Fed raises rates to cool down the economy. This means your mortgage gets more expensive, but your savings might finally earn some interest. Understanding CPI is the key to understanding the macro trends of your personal micro life. Babe Ruth was right. He did have a great year, but through the lens of CPI, we see that wealth is relative. It's not about how many dollars you have, it's about what those dollars can buy. Next time you hear about inflation or the latest CPI report, don't tune out. Those numbers are telling the story of your future purchasing power. Is your income keeping up with the market basket? Let us know your thoughts on inflation in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of economics.